Hi, I'm Joyce, the Energy Lady. I offer a service that not everybody is aware of what I do. So I'm going to share with you what that service is. Because I'm the Energy Lady, because I do know how to clean energy on a person's body, your energy field, your chakras, I also clean the energy of homes or offices. So if you have a really yucky energy in your home or in your office, that is a service that I offer where I actually come to your home or to your office and I clean the energy there. I had one of those experiences today where I went to Phoenix and cleaned a really large home and cleaned up the energy in it because they were just feeling like things were breaking and falling apart, and the family in the home wasn't doing well, the animals weren't doing well. And so I went up to clean up the energy of the home. And while I'm there, I also clean up the energy of the people and the animals in the home. So it's pretty cool. It's an awesome thing to be able to do that. When my daughter and her husband, after they got married, they bought an old home. And the people that lived in it before them were not the up to par people. I don't know. They were drug addicts. Okay. And so the energy of the home was really yucky. And her first comment to me was, "Mom, don't tell me what you feel in this home, just clean it up." And so I was actually able to clean up the energy in that home. And then of course they gutted it and remodeled it, which is what everybody's doing nowadays, right? And so it looks lovely, but most of all, the energy in the home changed. Okay. So the energy in your own energy field changes. The energy of yourself, your being, who you're being, changes when you clean your energy field. I am by far a much calmer person today because I cleaned my energy field than I was 10 years ago. 10 years ago, I was more of hyper, overly excited, trying to get everything done at once. And now I can get that way, but I typically don't. And I am actually able to be calmer when I take on tasks and get more things done because I take the task and do it one at a time, where I used to think I needed to do 10 things at once. So cleaning my energy field has changed who I am and who I'm being and how I'm acting. But it's also the same thing goes with the energy in your home, the energy in your hotel rooms. You know, when you go stay in a hotel room, do you love the energy of that hotel room? You don't know how many people have been in there or what's gone on in that room. I'm always clean the energy in my hotel room when I first check in. And so that is a service that I offer. I probably won't come clean your hotel room. Come to my energy class and I'll teach you how to do that. But I do know how to clean the energy of a space, whether it be an office space, whether it be a home, whether it be an apartment, whatever it is, I know how to help with that. And it is very helpful when the energy in your environment is cleaned up, because then your energy is going to be cleaned up. Now, yeah, it's good to learn how to clean your own energy. That's really helpful. But if you don't know how, come to me. I'll do an energy cleanse on you. But if you need your space cleaned up, then reach out to me, because that is a service I offer that I don't talk about much. And after having this opportunity today, I was like, oh, I need to tell people. So book a consult with me. If it's a question you have an environment that you're in that's not the best, it doesn't feel great, then book a consultation with me on my website and let's talk about how I could help you with that.